guys, and Merry Christmas! It is currently Christmas Day and I thought what better way to wake up than to make some vegan gingerbread, and hopefully it turns out. So if you want to know how to make that, stay tuned. We are also going to call this section of videos Ruby's recipes. What a ring to it. Follow me along and let's get started. Okay, so it says we need plain flour, coconut oil, tablespoon of ground sugar, and blackstrap molasses. Well, I can tell you right now I probably don't have that in my cupboard, but we're going to improvise. Okay, so first off we need the flour. So this is the Pam's high grade flour. This is the best stuff on the market, clearly. I mean, it's Pam's. And I don't actually have a measuring cup either, so we are just going to kind of estimate. And wow, okay, so that's the entire packet all in there. Perfect. It's gonna pan out. We have faith and that's all we need. Okay, so some coconut oil. Wow, lucky. Coconut oil here, blue coconut. This is, it says it's ridiculously versatile. I mean, obviously it's the best stuff because I wouldn't be baking with low grade coconut oil. It says about 65 grams of coconut oil melted. Just put around a tablespoon in. I want to mix that all together. Now we have done that, it says that we need some ground ginger. We do not have ground ginger, my friends, but we have, say it with me, crushed ginger, crushed ginger, crushed ginger. It says 1 tablespoon. Because this isn't ground ginger, let's just use a spork full. Less than a tablespoon, but you know, because you get the little rivets in there, you don't want to be quite precise with this. All you've got to do is put that right into the mixture there, and that will give you your gingerbread, obviously, flavour. It's not looking like much now, but I guarantee you it's going to look really good. And the last ingredient we need is blackstrap molasses. I don't have that in my cupboard. So we're actually just going to go find Mother Nature's molasses. Yeah, let's go find Mother Nature's molasses. So I reckon all we need to do is grab some of this. This is very nutritious. Everyone makes the joke of vegans only eat grass anyway, so I'm going to show you how to turn it into gingerbread. Okay, so a couple of these. So you want a couple of different flavours in there. Well, I think we just need something, maybe something else. So we'll just go over here, grab these. Ooh, ugh, no, we're not going to grab that. We are going to grab this one. Be prepared to witness Mother Nature's molasses. What you want to do with these bad boys here is break them up into little pieces. They can infuse all of that ginger taste. You just chuck a little bit of that into there. So currently it looks like this. Mix it around like so. You can see. Cool. Want to preheat your oven. Or just heat it in this case because I didn't preheat. Anyway. We have our baking tray and our baking paper. So what we want to do is obviously put our baking paper onto the baking tray. Just put all of our ingredients into our tray. Put all of that onto the tray there. And you just want to spread it all out like so. And this is what it should look like. Yeah. So it looks pretty good. It's not looking quite like gingerbread right now, but trust me, it will. And we just need to put it in the oven and watch the magic happen. So an essential part for the process of making vegan gingerbread is to actually light your gingerbread candle, and this will really infuse all of the gingerbreadness into the oven, just because they're both hot and they're both heated, so that connection there will actually be made through the heatness. Awesome. So got the candle lit, so we've just got about 8 more minutes and all the gingerbread should be done. So let's check on our gingerbread. Guys, I'm not meaning to toot my own horn or anything, but these smell pretty good, and I mean, have a look at them. I'm gonna have to show you from a different angle. Look at these bad boys here. Just amazing. Who would have thought that if you just stuck it in the oven, shapes would come out like that? That's bloody amazing. What a great recipe. What to do is now ice it, and it should be good. Okay, let's ice this bad boy. So I think that it turned out much better than I thought it would. This is the final product. Wow, awesome. If you want the recipe, I will leave it below. Make sure to subscribe to Ruby's Recipes for some great content. This one is one award winning. I've won many awards and your family will love me for it. Okay, thanks guys, and I hope that you have a very Merry Christmas, and thanks for watching. Bye!